Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 25th, Tuesday morning. Markets were generally quiet overnight. However, grain markets are higher here at the 7:15 close of the electronic markets here this morning, and that'll be the third day in a row. And basically because of optimism in the European community that they will come up with some kind of resolution. However, we've seen markets back off a bit right at the closing time period. And the big question is going to be, will these markets be able to sustain this rally today? The last few days we've seen sharp rallies during the session and early in the session, and then late in the session we sell off. So we got to be concerned about that again today. The grains are getting support from outside influences. The dollar just up slightly right now, but the big push is from the crude oil. We got crude oil up again this morning. In the last two sessions, crude oil has gained almost $7 a barrel, and it's a whole bunch of reasons why the market, the crude oil market, is stronger. Earnings report spreading between the different types of crude, the West Texas Intermediary and the Brent, and also spreading between the nearby contracts and the deferreds, seems to be the reason for this strength in the crude oil markets right now. But those are things that we're going to have to monitor here. The big issue and the big concern of the entire commodity complex is, what is the EU going to do with their recapitalization of banks, with the Greek debt? They've got another financial summit here tomorrow that hopefully there will be some decisions. But it looks to be far apart on any type of decision-making as reports are coming from the 17 different countries with many different solutions, and none really that they're all in agreement on. So that should come out tomorrow, create some volatility possibly here in tomorrow's session. But today looks like consolidation again, a quiet session ahead of this announcement. The USDA did release harvest information yesterday afternoon. Soybeans 80% complete, and corn 65% complete. The biggest problem areas are in the eastern Corn Belt, Ohio especially, only 14% done. The wetter conditions that they're seeing there now, and the late planting has also had an influence, and still seeing basis and corn demand in that eastern Corn Belt at ethanol plants very strong. They did release wheat conditions yesterday, 47% good to excellent. That's the same as we seen last year at this time, and the worst since 1992. So we definitely need some more moisture in that southern plains to help this wheat crop improve going into dormancy here in a few weeks. The Indian government did raise their soybean crop estimates by 2.5% this year in the 11-12 marketing year. Brazilian agencies are continuing to raise their production on soybeans coming out of Brazil. Some of the latest looking at 78.5 million tons. That's up from the 75.5 million tons the USDA released. And as you look for trades and what to do in these markets, you might check more research or give us a call here at Allendale, and more research has got several spread trading opportunities coming here in early November, something to monitor, and you might be interested in. Certainly give us a call. We'll help you with that. Over in the livestock trade, cutout values there a little better in beef, 95 cents higher in choice, select up 24. Cash cattle are still at a standstill, no trade. Look for higher trade this week, however, steady to higher. A lot of that's going to depend on attitude, especially at the influenced by stock indexes and futures market. Packer margins are deep in the red. Some calculations are suggesting up as high as $75 in the red right now. How long will that last before that situation can turn around? They need to get this beef exported, increase the cutout values, or Fed cattle prices will have to set back to balance that out. So that's definitely something to be monitoring here as we go forward, because the packers are going to have a tough time running and continue to operate in with a negative margin. So a lot of things going on. The main one still is that European situation and the European summit that is going to influence the macro money flow in these markets. So stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed the best we can. You can reach us on the Allendale Research Center there on the web, or just give us a call, 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.